Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to find anyone call list details of any mobile number. Open Play Store. Then search call log history and backup. Click this app. Type install. Open it. Click agree. Click close. Click call logs. Select yes. Click permission. Then allow all permission. Click back. Click call logs. Click backup. Select yes. Wait few minutes. Then click open file. You can see my all call list here. You can share the call list with anyone if you want. You can restore your data. Click restore. Then click select yes. You can view restored data at any time from File Manager. Thanks for watching.